Namaskar and a very good evening to all of you. I hope that everyone is doing absolutely fine. My name is Harshish Bhandari. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आज का प्लान क्या है? वैसे आज कुछ प्लान था नहीं, but the thing is that today is 6th October and today is my cousin brother's birthday. So we are going over there. Plus there is this lake that is known as the Bubbling Lake, famously known as Budbudtadi, that is in Netravali. So we are going there and कौन जा रहा है आज? Me and my brother, we both are going. So yes, let's get ready. And just to let you all know that today we became a family of 200 on YouTube. Thank you so much to everyone. And yes, let's go. But तो है यहाँ पे. There is something. And yes, we are ready. So ये बंदा जा रहा है हमारे साथ आज. And yes, let's go. आप भी चलो. I hope you all are ready. So let's go. ऐता. So we have finally reached over here and Makasta, this has developed a lot now. Like the last time when I came, there was nothing over here. Like nothing, there will be asale. Just that it was like nothing. Yes, this was not there. The railing that I'm mounting my tripod that was not there, and ये चिरा नसलेले, ती वाट नसलेली, ती हे नसलेले, nothing was there. This was retention wall was not there. That committee office was not there. That stage was not there. Toilet provision was not there. Like literally, if I had a photo to show you all, it is like a completely different place, and they have made a lot. This place has really very much developed. Very much. इतले ज़्यादा developed करके खूब. And I'm a local from here, not from this village, but the neighboring village that is approximately 5 kilometers away from here. And yes, this is the Bubbling Lake, famously known as Budbudtadi. It is in Netravali. Oh my god, कितले बुडबुडे आहेत ते बघा. The festival happens during Mahashivratri, and yes, this is the main entry. Okay, you can see this is हांगच्यान पयलीं आमी येताले सगळे. This was nothing. This was not there. That was not there. Nothing was there. It has developed so much, and there are too many dragonflies. If you can see, too many, like bahut. What I was telling you all was 5-6 years back, this was not there. And what small kids used to do, they literally used to run from there. वहाँ से भाग के directly उड़की मारता ले, like directly. And it was fun to watch, but at the same time it was risky. But बुरक्यांक खातीर सगळी फकाणां न्हू, so they were doing that. The lake is famous for bubbling, and that is what is happening right now. I don't know what is the reason behind it. Science might say that it is a chemical reaction, but we who believe in rituals, but देवाचो जागो म्हणून हांगा बुडबुडे येता अशें आमी म्हणटात. पळय कितले येयले ते पळय ते. Water is so clean that you can literally see from where the bubbles are coming. And yes, it is also said that normally when there are no people around, there are no bubbles. Okay, so if you come near the lake, that is when the water starts bubbling. I was about to say boiling. It is also said that when you clap, एक ताळी मारतात पळय त्यांना बुळबुळे येतात. I'll show you all what we are saying. Yes. So see, here you can see. I don't know if you can see here, there. See, you can just see over there. बुळबुळे बारीक 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 कितले येतात रे. अरे बाबा माझ्या. Continuous. That you can literally see. So that stays right when you clap. There are more bubbles, and I could have gone down and shown you all, but just that it is closed, and except on festival days, swimming visitors are neither allowed to swim nor enter with footwear in Bulbulthari. So you're not allowed to enter over here, and there is no one from whom I can take permission.
So peaceful if you want.
It is very quiet.
For reading and all.
Actually, you are a reader like me. This is the perfect place, I will say. काहीच आवाज ना, लिटरली उदक व्हावता आवाज ना फक्त. So the water goes from here, pipe असा हांगा, and
म्हटलं पाईप म्हणजे इथे पहिल्याच्यान चांगले येते पाईप.
this is it. So 2 or 3 days back, I just saw a story on my WhatsApp. People cleaning this area because लॉकडाउनान हांगा कोणूच येवं नासलेले, एंड सगळीकडे झाडां जाल्ली सब जगह, मतलब पौधे उगे हुए थे, एवरीथिंग. इट वॉज ऑल मेसी ओवर हियर, एंड यू कैन सी काडून उडयल्ली आहा. एंड अ बिग थँक यू टू ऑल ऑफ देम हू हॅव कम ओवर हियर एंड क्लीन दिस प्लेस. इफ कोणी तुम्ही व्हिडिओ पळयता जाल्यार थँक यू व्हेरी मच. The water is very very clean and it is so cold. People literally directly drink it because it is the water from the spring. हे लोकांचे वाट हांगा लोक आत्ता बोळा मारतले
क्या करता रे तेरी.
दॅट इज बिकॉज हांगा माकड भोंवतात चड आनी तेजे सगळे नाल बी सगळे तोडून उडयतात. दॅट इज वाय. आनी कितें लायल्ले आहा काजू बिजू कितें हांवें ते माकडांक लागून सगळे करतात ते. आय टेल यू, हांव हांगा पयलीं आसतालो, हें इतलें आसलें पळय, इतल्याक झाडां आसताली नेक्स्ट टू दिस थिंग, एंड हांगा सगळे रान आसलें. दिस ट्री यू सी, इट वॉज ऑल्सो डेन्स. इफ आय रिमेंबर प्रॉपरली इतकी वाट आसली, इतकी वाट दिसता पण इतकी वाट नासली, बेश्टी पांयवाट जाल्ली हांगा. एंड हियर इट वॉज ऑल ग्रास, ऑल ग्रोन ग्रास, एंड हियर दॅट वॉज अ स्मॉल हाऊस सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग. बारीक खोपशी असलेली हांगा. खोप इन कोंकणी वी कॉल इट खोप. ओके, इन इंग्लिश यू कॉल इट अ शेड. इतकी वाट असलेली, इतकीच वाट असलेली. देऊळ असले बारीक या असले पण बारीक असले. एंड ऑल्सो बिफोर दिस वॉज नॉट देअर, म्हणजे रेलिंग नासली हांगा, बट देर वॉज अ वे फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो यू कुड एंटर द लेक, एंड दिस वॉज द प्लेस वेअर I entered for the first time, not from them, because it was very crowded over there. मागचं वरचं फाटले कसं. If you guys can see bubbles. If you can see the water moving, that is because of the bubbles, not because of anything else. There should be no other movement rather than the movement of the bubbles. That is coins wala thing bhi tha. I'll tell you why. Small kids, we used to bath over here, okay, during the festival time. What people used to do is that people will throw coins by standing on the ube rahan coins odetale, and we children used to catch them. Okay, jar chukle, yeah, we have to collect them. It is like एक blessing म्हणपा शकता. If you can see there, oh, the त्रिशूळ असा पळय एक, हो पळय माशे, ते त्रिशूळ आहा पळय. There is the त्रिशूळ of Lord Shiva. And I guess if I place it everything properly, Trishul ha ani lok sagळे थंय वचनात. Okay, because everyone is not allowed to go there. So people फंड पेटीन कशे पयशे घालतात तशे ते थंय उडयतात दिसता, अशें दिसता म्हाका. आनी मागीर भुरगे ते कलेक्ट करतात. So that is the thing about over here. It is very, very quiet, man. It is so quiet. And yes, that is pretty much from here. I hope I was able to cover everything. Any local from here watching this video, just correct me if I said anything wrong. And one more thing. आणि एक गजाल सांगपाक जाय तुमकां फेस्ता टायमार कितें जाता आमच्या टायमार हांगा जात्रे टायमार कितें जातालें ते जात्रेक बी हांगा सगळे गाडे लागताले मरे एंड खाजी बिजी विकताले ते जाले
खाजी न्हू ते खाजे
खाजे बिजे विकताले ते जाले एंड वन मोर थिंग ओके
फेणोऱ्यो
there is a sweet called as fenori. There are two types of them. There is dry fenori and then there is wet fenori. And fenori म्हणला पण थोडा होता केले. So anyone who loves fenori, just comment down.
If the one who
And-
don't know what fenori is,
It is sort of a papdi. In short, it is a mini version of a paratha, which is crunchy and dipped in sugar syrup. It tastes damn good. Okay, it tastes really, really, really good. And there's also other thing that is the dry fenori.
basically from ghee and त्याच्या मागीर castor
Cashew sugar, dry fenori, which tastes good. Okay, it
Not
tastes
bad.
good. It tastes good, but the wet one is like on another level.
sugar
So
syrup.
this is तो पूरी यादें ताज़ा हो गई मेरी. So yes, that was for the day, and we are leaving from here. Just take a final look at it. This is the temple. This is the new park that they have built.
There were some kids playing.
That is the entrance. And this is the 360. This is the bow, and this is the 360 view of everything. So that was all from my side for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you all liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family. And do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So I hope I was able to bring a smile on your face. Thank you for making me a part of your day. I'll see you soon in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.